From nature of Indonesia to the world, our premium charcoal begins with the finest raw materials, processed with precision to deliver top-quality charcoal for BBQ, restaurants, and industries worldwide. We carefully select sawdust from the finest hardwoods, including Ulin, Merbau and Bengkirai, renowned for their high density and natural carbon content, ensuring longer, hotter, and more efficient burns. Before production, all raw materials undergo rigorous selection to guarantee purity. The sawdust have kept in dry condition, compressed under high pressure, and carbonized at almost zero oxygen. The result: briquette charcoal with high carbon, high density, and low ash content, cleaner, longer lasting, and more efficient. Every briquette undergoes strict quality control before being packed and shipped worldwide. With a reliable distribution network, we ensure a steady supply for global demand. Tradia Charcoal, your trusted source for premium charcoal. Ready to elevate your business with the best quality product? Feel free to ask.